Okay, good day. What we're going to be doing today, we're going to be removing a front wheel from this 2022 Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114. It's actually quite simple operation, right? Some of the tools that you may need, just come on over. You need a torque wrench. You need a 12-point 10 millimeter socket, 6 millimeter socket, and you need a 19 millimeter Allen or some type of a tool like this. Okay. Okay, so let's start this. I have already elevated the bike on my stand. I have already placed a little scissor jack just to help me out, right? So first thing that I want to do is I'm going to crack the brakes right over here with my 10 millimeter 12-point socket. Okay. 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 And all we're doing is we're just removing the brakes. Okay. Okay, here we go. The brake just slides nice and easy. Just watch the cable. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to undo the clips up here up top. It's just going to be easier. Oh, and I have a bungee where I'm just going to go and grab the brakes so they're not flopping all over the place. Okay, and I'm just going to go like this. Okay. Okay, so this is good. Just watch the cable, the ABS and speed cable, which is right over here. So we're done on this side. Now we're going to go on the other side. First thing that I want to do, we're going to crack the pinch bolt right over here. And this is a 6 millimeter. So all I'm doing is I'm just going to crack it a little bit. Okay. Okay, and this is good enough. Next, we're just going to go and remove the axle. I just got to grab the tool. Okay. So my 19 millimeter fits right in here. And I have a 17 millimeter socket that fits on top of that. But if you get a 19 millimeter, you're going to be good to go. Okay. Okay. And as I'm doing that, yeah, the speed sensor cable is also moving. Okay, and the axle is out. Okay, here we go. This is basically what it looks like. It needs a little bit of work. Just place it right over here. Now I'm moving the wheel a little bit forward, just a bit, and the spacer is going to come out right here. And note where the lines are. Lines are facing towards the fork, and I'm just going to place it right over here. Let's go on the other side. Okay. Oh, and the speed sensor just popped off. Okay, so this is what the speed sensor looks like. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it right here, and we can remove the tire. Now we can take it down to the shop and get it all fixed up and whatever you need to do or whatever it needs to happen. All right. Okay, so now we are in process of putting everything back together. But before we did, I cleaned everything all the way around where the rim is. Here, right? I have already cleaned the axle, which is right over here with this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit of grease, just a light coat on the axle. That way it slides a little bit better. Okay, and that's all I want to do. This is as much grease as I want to do. What I don't want to do is I don't want to put the grease on top of the threads. Also, what I don't want to do is I have to make sure the speed sensor and or ABS sensor is also cleaned. Reason being is if this is all covered in grease or grime, your speedometer will not work. it will start interfering. So just got to leave it like this. Okay. All right, so first thing, I already have my scissor jack. I'm just going to grab the wheel and we're going to insert this guy in. Okay. Okay. The wheel goes in. Okay. So now on this side, just like I said, I'm going to put the spacer, and spacer goes in here like this. I'm just going to cut. Okay, here we go. Now it's going to go in. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like this and then push the axle in. Okay, align. Okay, and okay, so we're through. Okay. So now I'm just going to go and just tightening this up a bit. Okay, just tight-ish. I'm going to leave it the way it is right now. Next, I'm just going to see where the speed sensor is. I'm just going to loosen this off a little bit so it's flexible. Okay, that's the way I want it. Now, I'm just quickly going to put the brakes back in. Okay. Okay, we'll put the bracket on. Okay. Torquing everything. Okay. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to torque the axle. An axle is, according to the book, according to our little book right here, it is between 70 and 75 foot-pounds. Okay, and that's what we're going to do. I'm going to put 70 pounds, and we'll see how that goes. Okay. Okay, we are good. Okay, now next I'm going to go and do the pinch bolt. Just located right over here. Okay. And the pinch bolt is between 21 and 25 foot-pounds. We're just going to go with a 21. Okay, 21. Okay, we are good right here. And now we're going to do the brakes. Give me a second. And the brakes are front caliper mounting bolts are between 28 and 38 foot-pounds. We're just going to go with a 28. Okay. And all I got to do is I just got to replace these clips. And we have 3 of them. And 1 right here. Okay. So what we have learned here in about 15 to 20 minutes is how to remove the front wheel from a 2022 Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114. It's actually quite simple and anybody else can do it. And if this video helped you out, please give me a like and share, and I'll see you on the next one.